today's video you get to see us working on the T25. There he is. So it's all to do with prep, seeing what needs welding and welding. So if that's what you're into, enjoy. Thank you, Jack. Got his approval, I think.
Retro renovations do not go away.
Hi and welcome back to Retro Renovations. Today I'm working on the T25. As you can see above, the sky has gone blue. The weather is good, so I think what we're going to do, find a suitable jacking point. Speak of the devil, here he is. Are you a jacking point? Suitable jacking point? We're going to get the wheel off and we're going to get this up in the air, and we're going to work on this corner today. That corner, Jack. This corner. Over here. Over here. Look, point to it. This corner. He's got to look in. Follow us. See them out. 19mm. Some of these are already loosened off. What you found, Jack? Okay, today's first job, I'm going to grind this off. It's quite solid. Everywhere else, just where it's rotted is literally where it's gone. Everywhere else you can see it's pretty good. Just gotta do in there and there. Let's grind it off, see what we find. Okay, we can see where we're going. I've left one bit on because I'm just repairing the sill. So yeah, you can see inside. Up here is, you ain't going to be able to see it, but it's structurally sound. There is a plate just here, that's the structure of the vehicle, which is this inner sill. That is all actually in very good condition. I'll flick the camera around so you can see the inner sill. Hello. Right, this is the... It's hard to get light in it. There we go. This is the inner sill, and as you can see, it's all very good. So I've got a couple of repairs to do just up here. So while I've got access from what I've just cut out and I've got visibility, Let me just get the light again. I've got one little hole here, the rest is very solid, so I'm just going to run a magnet through and just clean up any rust and stuff, and then I'm going to repair the inner sill, and then I'll seal it back up with some fresh metal. Good stuff. Now for cutting out the panels. There he is, fresh steel. I'll wind him off in a minute. I've got to cut them ones out. And that's it for today, because the light is going. So you've got this panel is restored in here, and then I turn around here. Because this is hard to get to, I've gone through into the sill and I've put a plate on and over the top and welded it in, so there's a plate up there now. And then I'm just finishing this one off now. I'll finish that one tomorrow. That's stamped in place, and that's that finishes off the inner sill, and then I can close the outer sill back up and get on with the wheel arch. Quite a bit of work to do, but a few hours at a time we'll get there. So I hope you Jack's back. You found a jacking point, have you? In the workshop. So hopefully you found this interesting. Leave a comment below. See ya.